What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another pallet idea video. Oh, I'm so excited today because I get to do the pallet table that my wife has wanted since I put the pallet deck in the backyard. Yes, I hope you caught the magnitude of what I'm about to do right now. And so in order for it to be the right height, what I'm gonna do is ask my lovely wife to meet me in the back. And you know, I'm gonna just put some pallets down just so she can get a feel of how high the pallet table could be. And then once we reach that desired height, boom shakalaka, we have the goal, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this video should be very quick, very simple, very easy to follow from beginning to end because my video yesterday was pretty long, okay, I have to admit. However, okay, I'm here to do better. Okay, it's a new day, so let me be greater. Let me be greater. Without further ado, I'm gonna have my lovely wife come on out here and we gonna get this party started. Yeah! Alright, so of course y'all know the lovely Miss Jones. Now what she's gonna simply do is just take a seat on the chair, and what I'm gonna do is just stack the pallets up. I have pallets over here. I'm gonna just stack the pallets up, and when it gets to her desired height for a table, she'll give me a thumbs up. I'll measure the height. We'll be good to go because I want to make sure wifey's happy, okay? So as she cooks, we'll eat. She cooks, we eat. All right, so go ahead, Crystal, assume the position. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enough, okay, it's enough. It's sum totals to 28 inches. So the table will be 28 inches. How many was it? Six pallets made 28 inches. So what the wifey wants in this case is what the wifey gets, okay? So let me do what I gotta do to make sure she continues to have that beautiful smile that I love to see oh so all the time. All right, let's go. All right, so now that I have that part out of the way, had the beautiful, beautiful sight that I have, my lovely wife, now I can get down to business. So here's the pallet that I'm going to transform into my pallet table. Of course, I have my legs here that are necessary, and you already know where I got them from. That's right, reuse pallets, okay? Pallet scraps. You never throw away your scraps. I'ma show you, I'ma yell it, I'ma let you know every time I do a video that that is what you need to do. Keep your scraps because times like this is when you need it, okay? So they will be my support beams, which of course are the little lines in between the pallets which makes the pallet decks together, okay? That is what that is. And then I have my screwdriver, impact drill, my hammer, and then there's the extra pallets, okay? Just to fill in the gaps. And of course, you know, I used one of the pallets that I put on the deck, okay? That's what that is. And I use the reciprocal saw method to take apart these boards, which is why I'm a little sweaty, because it's a little work, okay? It's a little work. Go and look at that video after this video so you see how to do that, okay? So without further ado, let's get this table finished. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to their channel, DKUJ. Turn that red button to a gray button because you and I should be friends. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your boy is putting in work, okay? Not that much talking in this video because my wife is so hungry. She want to do this crab mukbang. Y'all gonna see it in next week, okay? Y'all gonna see that video, so I'm trying to rush, okay? So I got this part done. I have the legs done, of course, as you saw me go ahead and cut it. So what I'll do is lay it on the top, drill it in on the sides, and then flip it over, drill down, and then, my friends, we have a table. Just that easy. Okay, man, it's just that simple, y'all. All you have to do is subscribe, okay, hit that red button, turn to a gray button, and then I promise you, all of your pallet creations will be made easier. Why? Because we get to do it together. You see how that works? You help me, I help you, we grow together. And also, man, when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I promise you, we are gonna go bananas in our giveaways. Like, Christmas has nothing on us, okay? Hopefully, we have the 100,000 before Christmas so that Christmas can be Christmas for a lot of people, okay? All right, I don't know. Maybe this is why I should not be talking. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to these legs, put the bad boy on the deck, and it'll be done, yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's only one thing left to do, and that is take this bad boy to its new home, Lego. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you see it, it's here, it's done, it's completed. Oh man, I'm loving this. I am loving this pallet deck, all right? Man, look at this backyard pallet deck. Man, I have a pallet sectional, okay? This is all pallet wood with the help of 2x4s for the framing. I have a pallet table, which you all saw the creation of that bad boy. And then I have a pallet bench. I mean, I have the perfect sitting area. Like, I can't wait to string the lights. I can't wait to sand everything, paint everything, get it to the color either you all suggest in the comments below, or my wife, lovely wife, suggests and pick, and you know, I'll just do it, okay? I'm the builder, she's the designer, okay? She tells me which color, we make it happen, or I make it happen. Either way, I still have a little space to walk around. You know, I can move things around if we want to have like more of a dancing function type situation. If it's more like a kickback, sit down, relax, boom, we have tables for it. I probably have my grill right there so that I can cook and things like that. I mean, the whole situation is coming together, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you see it? Doesn't look much better than it did before, okay? This renovation is all thanks to you all, and I thank you to everybody who recommended me to do a pallet table. Shouts out to you, love you, I appreciate you. If there's any other suggestions, please comment below. I'm sure I will use them if I haven't thought of them, okay? A lot of things I think about, dream about, and it's awesome when you get to actually see the manifestation of it, or the reality of it, in layman's terms. But I'm excited, man, to see their space. I'll walk around so you can see the other space. Okay, everything is all finished. Boom, y'all saw that video yesterday. Space, it's space. It's an entertainer's paradise. All right, so without further ado, catch a couple of these other videos on the way out. I love you, I thank you, I appreciate you. And if you forgot, I love you, I appreciate you, and I adore you. Thank you all for being a part of the DKUJ family. And I look forward to everything we have in store together in the future. Yeah.